Here are the best balance transfer credit cards. Now, if you have questions about personal finance, leave a comment with your question and description of your personal situation, or if you prefer, ask us questions on Instagram at 40inbox. Just like debt consolidation loans, balance transfer credit cards allow you to consolidate multiple credit card balances into a single account, making it easier for you to manage your payments. They tend to have lower interest rates than the average credit card, and unlike personal loans, most of them offer an introductory 0% APR that usually lasts from 12 to 18 months. Additionally, there are no prepayment penalties, so you can pay off your debt as fast as you want. Now, there are some important things to know about balance transfer credit cards. There are transfer fees. While balance transfer credit cards can help you save hundreds of dollars on interest each year, most companies charge an upfront fee for this service. This fee typically ranges between 3% and 5% of your overall balance, or between $30 and $50 for every $1,000 transferred. The rewards. Some balance transfer cards offer rewards for each dollar spent, but you should be careful of falling into a spending trap. To get out of debt and stay out of debt, you need to stop using credit cards. You can always try your hand at rewards later on once you're debt free and once you're responsible enough where you have the self-control. You may not qualify for the 0% APR introductory offer. Although most companies will use their 0% APR as the initial hook to get you to sign up, this offer is always subject to your credit worthiness. In most cases, you'll need a credit score of at least 700 to qualify. Not all balances are transferable. For example, most credit card issuers won't allow you to transfer balances from other credit cards held within their company. It can also lower your credit score. Signing up for a credit card always comes with a hard credit inquiry, which could hurt your credit score in the short term if you're not approved. It takes time. Depending on the company, once you initiate the balance transfer, it can take up to 21 days for it to become effective. In the meantime, you're responsible for making any minimum payments due. You can weigh your options. Before signing up for a balance transfer card, make sure to compare multiple offers so you can choose the one that has the longest 0% APR period and the best perks. So the best balance transfer credit cards of 2020. The balance transfer credit cards featured in our list not only offer low interest rates, but also come with no annual fee. A few of them also offer rewards for each dollar you spend and even extend their introductory 0% APR offer to new purchases, ideal for those in need of a short-term loan. Now, if your goal is improving your finances, keep reading to learn all about the top offers in the space, how long they last, and how you can use them to your advantage. So you have the Citi Double Cash Card, best card for the long term. Discover It Balance Transfer, best low ongoing APR. Citi Simplicity Card, best for longest 0% APR offer. Chase Freedom, best for bonus rewards. Citi Diamond Preferred Credit Card, best for balance transfers and purchases. Now the Citi Double Cash Card, which is the best card for the long term. The Citi Double Cash Card is another balance transfer credit card you might just love, and is one you may want to keep for the long haul. On the balance transfer side of the equation, this card gives you 0% APR on balance transfers for 18 months in exchange for a 3% balance transfer fee, minimum of $5. This card also comes with no annual fee. Once you finish paying off your balance, you may want to keep this card for regular spending. That's because it gives you 2% back for every purchase you make. 1% when you make a purchase, and another 1% when you pay it off. There are no caps on the amount of cash back you can earn. So the summary of the benefits: 0% APR on balance transfers for 18 months, followed by a variable APR of 13.99% to 23.99%. No annual fee. 2% back on all your spending, 1% when making a purchase, and another 1% once it's paid off. No caps on the rewards you can earn. Now you have the Discover It balance transfer, best for low ongoing APR. The Discover It balance transfer gives you the best of both worlds: a lengthy 0% APR introductory offer and a low ongoing APR. This card starts off by giving you 18 months with 0% APR on balance transfers, and the standard variable interest rate after that ranges from 13.49% to 24.49%. Additionally, this card lets you earn rewards on purchases. Specifically, you'll earn 5% back on up to $1,500 spent in categories that rotate each quarter, and 1% back on all other purchases. Discover will also double all the rewards you earn the first year. The 0% APR credit card doesn't charge an annual fee, and there are no fees for foreign transactions, going over your credit limit, or paying late. So the summary of the benefits: 0% APR on balance transfers for 14 months, followed by a variable APR of 11.99% to 22.99%. The rebalance transfer fee applies through September 10th, 2020. After that, a 5% balance transfer fee applies. You can earn 5% back on up to $1,500 spent in bonus categories each quarter, plus 1% back on all other purchases. Discover also doubles all the rewards you earn after 12 months. No annual fee, late fees, or foreign transaction fees. Now, you can get a free stock worth up to $500 by joining Robinhood. This is basically potentially free money, right? You can learn the 4 steps to make money online below. All you need is a phone, computer, and a PowerPoint presentation. Automate your investing with Acorns, where they round up your everyday purchases and automatically puts it into basically index funds and bonds. You can create the best landing pages and sales funnels using ClickFunnels, which is great for if you're trying to collect emails, get leads, or sell anything digitally online. You can become a master of your money by checking out 40inbox.com and finding out the right path you need to take. Feel free to watch more personal finance lessons and personal finance stories. And hopefully this has been pretty helpful to you, because here's the thing. Even though you can do, a transfer for like a 0% on your credit card, basically transfer your balance, right? Even though you could do that, that does not necessarily solve the problem, right? Now, if you are going, crazy, full on, smashing through the wall, completely ignoring the door kind of thing to attack your debt, okay, that's fine. And you could basically do the transfers just so that you could save a little bit more money while you're paying it off. Because if you could pay it off within the year, I'd probably just transfer the stuff onto a 0% just so that you're not paying any extra money on interest, and just completely knock out your debt. But again, this is not something that solves the problem, right? It makes it easier. It can alleviate some of the pressure of just, not paying your principal of your debt. But the thing you really need to understand is that this is not a 100% cure-all solution. The only way to get out of debt is to pay your debt. So keep that in mind. Hopefully this lesson about credit cards, or at least some of the good credit cards that you could try to go out and do this, hopefully this has been helpful to you. But understand, you gotta personally pay off your credit card debt. That is the only way to get out of debt. You can't just, finagle your way back and forth on different credit cards forever because you're still going to have the debt. So just get rid of it. See you in the future.